Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Place 8 to 12 large eggs in a pot and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer 10 minutes for fully set yolks. Drain and transfer eggs to an ice bath for 10 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Peel eggs carefully under running water to remove membrane and avoid pitting the whites. Choose a clean quart jar, 32 oz or 2-pint jars, so eggs fit snugly, and the lid closes tightly for soaking in brine. In a small saucepan, combine 2 cups white vinegar, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon kosher salt. Warm and stir until the sugar and salt dissolve, about 5 minutes. Add 1 cup chopped cooked beets and 1/4 cup reserved beet juice for a deep magenta color and richer flavor. Then remove from heat and let the mixture cool to room temperature. Cooling the brine prevents rubbery whites when poured over eggs, and chilling later helps the flavors meld consistently throughout the eggs. Layer peeled eggs and sliced beets in the clean quart jar, pour the cooled beet brine over them until fully submerged, and seal the lid tightly to prevent contamination. Refrigerate the jar at or below 40 degrees F and allow the flavors to infuse for at least 24 hours, with optimal color and taste developing between 48 and 72 hours. The longer they sit, the more pink the yolks and whites will become. Use within 3 weeks. Always check for off odors, cloudiness, or gas bubbles, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.